So one of the reasons I think financial education is more important than ever today is because in these times, unfortunately, so many people have had a wake-up call. And where they thought they had their safe, secure job, all of a sudden their businesses are closed. And many jobs are not coming back. And people are now trying to figure out, what am I going to do with my life? The opportunities that they thought were there are not there anymore. So this could be, we often say in a time of adversity, it could be your greatest opportunity or it can be your greatest upset.
Now, with artificial intelligence and the flattening of the job market, you have to be prepared to look elsewhere to secure your financial future. And I think the key is financial education.
Financial IQ is the ability to control your cash flow. If the cash is flowing out, how do you turn it to have it come back in?
A statement of cash flow in a business or a household is simply a record of cash flowing in and cash flowing out as expenses.
If a person does feel they like to take responsibility, if a person does feel that I don't want to be a victim, there is an avenue, and you can learn and you can change your life. You can get it done.
When Robert and I got together, one of the first gifts he gave me was not like a piece of jewelry or lovely dinner, champagne, nothing like that. The very first gift he gave me was an accounting class. And this is after I'd graduated college, about 5 years. And he said, I want you to take this accounting class. He was somehow involved in it. And I'm like, oh my God, I promised when I left school I was never going to set foot in another classroom again. I did not like it. I didn't like what I was being taught. And he said, no, just humor me and just go to this class. Well, this class was very different because it was an accounting class, but it was very hands-on, very interactive. We were in teams. We were building a lemonade stand. You had to buy product. You had to market. You had to sell. You had to account for everything. And it was competitive. And it was really, really fun. And that's actually where my financial education started. But even more important than that, it was where my love of learning got ignited again.
So far, we've been focusing on what's wrong with the system and how we get stuck in it. Now, I'm looking for what we need to get unstuck, to build a solid foundation for financial freedom. Let's dig out of this mess. Hey, it's Dr. Pedram Shojai, the host of the Great Heist film. We are doing a free screening of this film. You just saw a clip. You could see the entire film for free. Click right here and you'll get access.